Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. A while back, I made a video or some videos on a racetrack or a street, and I came up with this shape, but I did it with a couple of different tools, so I thought I'd kind of share that with you. I'm going to draw a 2 point line, and then I'm going to go right here to the parallel drawing line, and I'm going to go right here to create from selection. So I want two extra lines 2 inches apart, and I got that. What I do like about this is they're not grouped together, so you can change them. So let's take all these lines and go up and make them 50 points. And then let's take this center line and go down here and click on your pen tool or hit F12 and go down here and pick a dotted line, like long dots. And what that did, that created like a road. So we need to group them together, Control G. Then go over to your artistic media tool, pick on your brush, and save it. I'm going to call this row 2 because I've already got one. Then when you do that, your pen tool is set already for that road. And let's just take this shape right here, artistic media tool, and get the pencil looking thing and hit that. Now you see some nodes light up, but you have to change, for some reason you have to change the stroke width. And for some reason that didn't work. Oh, this is the one I drew, so this is a good example. You need to take that and make it one unit, and then left click, right click. And then you can take your artistic media tool, put on there, and change your dimension, and it will make that road. Almost any shape. Let's just try it on an ellipse. Artistic media tool. Hit it with the pen tool, and then change the width, and you've got a circle road. I'm not going to say you're ever going to make a road or a track, but this might give you some other ideas on how to do some other things. Anyway, hope that helps a little bit. Thank you for watching.